Tingnan mo yung ano mo. Mother, tingin ka sa akin. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Ingat ka dyan. Grabe, oy. Ay. Oh, Alaska Airlines. Kuha ka, mother. Oh. I like this. Yeah, I like this in my office. Yeah.
Then see who flies the farthest.
Okay.
Put it out here on the airfield.
Yeah. Thank you. Ni mother. Conforme na lang. Oh, wow. Ang laki na ito. Wow. Okay, that was ilagay mo, mamaya sa likod ko na. Yeah, put it inside the bag. Jilana! Did you sip it?
Yeah, I can do that.
Huh?
If it's not zipped up.
You have to sip it up. There you go, perfect. Wow, look. Julene, I'll take your video. Wow. Mother! Kuha na kita dyan. Julene, go with grandma. Yay! Julene! Laki! Ang laki, no? Grabe, Kodiak. Mother, videoan kita. Sige, pasok ka na. Pasok ka na doon na. Ayan. Ay, si mother. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. May pasok ka na, mother. Ay, excuse me. Thank you po. Thank you. Mother, picturean kita ni. Mother, look. Astig. Astig ka na. Wow. Kasi ganyan nung paglalabas na sila, no? Grabe. Oh my goodness. Grabe. Oh. Hi, sir.
If you have any questions, let me know.
Yes, sir.
If you want to look on the cockpit, you can go up there.
Okay.
Maybe just a couple at a time because it's a little bit tighter and
Oh,
smaller
yeah.
up there.
This is awesome. Thank you so much. Girls, go upstairs. We'll wait for you. Yeah, go check it out. That's how you do the plane.
Yeah, we're super small.
Go check it out, Jolene. Check, see?
Yeah.
Hi, sir.
How's it going?
It's going.
You come up here if you
Go,
want.
get akit ka muna.
Yeah, we're super small branch.
See when you...
I don't either. And we're under the DHS, we're not DOD either.
You're under the Homeland Security.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, y'all sit in the seat if you want.
Jolene, you wanna sit? Come on.
You can take a picture.
I know. Kids.
Yeah. Have a good one.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Y'all have more authority than police.
Grabe, uy. Wait!